First of all, I'd like to express sincere thanks to Her Excellency Madame Irina Bokova, Director General of UNESCO, for wonderful and very quite impressive special lectures. This year, in addition to Shishukan, Graduate School of Advanced Leadership Studies program, as just the student said, and Global Survivability Studies Intergraduate School Program, coordinated by Professor Takara. Two new leading graduate school programs have been approved by Japanese government. These programs cover new interdisciplinary field. One is the medicine engineering combined educational program called Training Program of Leaders for Integrated Medical System for Fruitful, Healthy, Longevity Society. And the other is the leading graduate school program for Innovative Information Design Studies. In implementing these four leading graduate school programs, we are going to direct much attention to the strengthened partnership with UNESCO, through which we are planning to dispatch our students to UNESCO in order to run a variety of international activities in the UNESCO headquarters in Paris and our regional and field offices of UNESCO located all over the world. Further, we have intention to delegate university administrative staffs to UNESCO to experience the world top international job affairs. Also, we would like to invite UNESCO staffs to Kyoto University as visiting scholarship or scholars or professors to give us hot topics in terms of education, science, and culture. These actions works to further activate the international activity of Kyoto University. I believe our collaboration between two organizations will contribute to promotion of advanced educational systems and to the harmonious coexistence of the world. Madam Bokova said in her speech, we live in a new age of limit in terms of resources, in terms of our planet. As a geoscientist, I understand the important point. And also, I believe every culture is indispensable for the betterment of education and science. We have been currently elaborating to reform our educational system at both the undergraduate level and the graduate school level. To do so, taking advantage of Kyoto University, located in the world cultural city of Kyoto, we will strengthen the function of Kyoto University sufficient to the world top level of research and education based on optimized synergy of high quality liberal arts and professional education, thereby leading to encouragement of young next generation people and have a broader link with other universities across the world. Finally, again, we appreciate very much for excellent special lecture. I believe it inspired all of us to take further action in our life. Thank you so much.